Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of modern fashion with none other than the stunning Kriti Sanon. Known for her impeccable style and effortless grace, Kriti has been setting trends and turning heads wherever she goes. So, let's take a closer look at some of her standout modern fashion choices. The actress effortlessly combines comfort with style. She might be spotted in distressed denim paired with a graphic tee and accessorized with statement sneakers and oversized sunglasses for that edgy street vibe. She knows the power of a monochrome look. Whether it's head-to-toe white or all-black ensemble, she manages to keep it chic by playing with textures and adding subtle pops of color through accessories. She might rock a printed midi dress for a brunch date or opt for a statement jacket with geometric motifs to elevate a simple outfit. She often opts for sleek and sophisticated gowns with modern twists like plunging necklines, thigh-high slits, or intricate cutouts, exuding confidence and glamour. She might opt for a tailored jumpsuit with clean lines for a formal event or go for a relaxed, flowy style for a casual day out. One of her style signatures is her knack for mixing textures. She might pair a velvet blazer with leather pants or combine a silk top with denim for a look that's rich in visual interest and dimension. The actress knows the power of a statement outerwear piece to elevate her ensemble. Whether it's a bold-colored trench coat, a faux fur jacket, or a leather moto jacket, she uses outerwear as a focal point to complete her look. Despite her penchant for bold fashion choices, the actress also knows how to pull off minimalist chic with ease. She might opt for a clean line slip dress in a neutral tone or a tailored shirt paired with high-waisted trousers, showcasing the beauty of simplicity. The actress effortlessly combines high-end pieces with more affordable finds, creating high-low pairings that are both stylish and accessible. She might team a designer blouse with high-street denim or pair a statement skirt with a basic tee for a balanced look. She might opt for a playful polka dot dress for a daytime event or rock a bold animal print skirt for a night out, adding a touch of whimsy to her wardrobe. The actress often collaborates with designers to create custom-made couture pieces that reflect her personal style. These one-of-a-kind creations showcase her individuality and set her apart as a fashion trailblazer. The actress effortlessly channels bohemian vibes into her fashion choices. She might opt for flowy maxi dresses with intricate embroidery or layering earthy tone separates for a laid-back yet chic ensemble. Being environmentally conscious, Kriti incorporates sustainable fashion into her wardrobe. She might choose pieces made from eco-friendly materials or support ethical fashion brands that prioritize fair labor practices and environmental sustainability. She might incorporate elements typically associated with menswear, such as tailored blazers or oversized shirts, into her outfits, showcasing her fearless approach to style. Drawing inspiration from her Indian heritage, the actress often infuses her modern fashion choices with elements of traditional Indian attire. She might pair a contemporary crop top with a vibrant embroidered skirt or accessorize her outfit with statement Indian jewelry for a fusion of cultures. The actress enjoys experimenting with do-it-yourself fashion projects and upcycling old garments to create new and unique pieces. Whether it's customizing denim jackets with patches and embellishments or repurposing vintage saris into modern dresses, she embraces creativity and sustainability in her fashion journey. Kriti celebrates diverse body types through her fashion choices. Her fashion choices are influenced by her travels and exposure to diverse cultures around the world. She might incorporate elements of international fashion trends, such as Japanese street style or Parisian chic, into her looks, creating a global aesthetic that resonates with her cosmopolitan audience. The actress uses her platform to promote fashion with a purpose, supporting charitable initiatives and social causes through her clothing choices. Whether it's wearing sustainable fashion brands that give back to communities or donning outfits with empowering messages, she aligns her fashion sense with her values, making a positive impact beyond the runway. Kriti showcases her layering prowess by expertly layering garments to add depth and dimension to her outfits. She might layer a sheer blouse over a camisole or experiment with mixing textures and lengths to create visually captivating looks that are both stylish and functional. The beauty pushes the boundaries of conventional silhouettes by embracing experimental cuts and shapes in her fashion choices. She might opt for asymmetrical hemlines, exaggerated sleeves, or architectural draping to create avant-garde looks that challenge the norms of traditional fashion. Kriti views fashion as a form of artistic expression and isn't afraid to take risks with her style. She might incorporate artistic prints inspired by paintings or sculptures into her outfits or collaborate with artists to create custom-designed pieces that blur the lines between fashion and art. When it comes to special occasions, Kriti gravitates towards couture pieces that exude drama and extravagance. She might opt for voluminous ball gowns adorned with intricate embellishments or dramatic trains that make a grand statement on the red carpet, showcasing her flair for theatrical fashion moments. The actress effortlessly combines high-end designer pieces with more affordable fashion finds, showcasing her versatility and keen eye for style. She might pair a designer handbag with a budget-friendly dress or elevate a casual look with luxury accessories, proving that great style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. The actress has mastered the art of effortless glamour, often opting for chic yet comfortable ensembles that exude sophistication. Whether she's wearing a flowing maxi dress with minimal makeup or rocking a sleek pantsuit with tousled hair, she radiates a natural elegance that is both timeless and captivating. The actress adds personalized touches to her outfits, whether it's through custom embroidery, monogrammed accessories, or sentimental jewelry pieces. These personal touches not only add a unique element to her looks but also reflect her individuality and attention to detail. Even in her activewear, the actress embraces fashion-forward styles that seamlessly transition from the gym to the streets. She might sport trendy leggings with mesh panels, a cropped hoodie, and stylish sneakers for a workout ensemble that's both functional and fashionable. Kriti effortlessly transitions her wardrobe between seasons, adapting her style to the changing weather with ease. She might layer lightweight fabrics in the summer, opting for breezy dresses and open-toe sandals, and switch to cozy knits and boots in the winter, showcasing her versatility and practicality in dressing for different climates. Conscious of her environmental impact, she often chooses clothing made from sustainable fabrics such as organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled materials. By supporting eco-friendly fashion brands and embracing sustainable practices, she advocates for a more responsible approach to fashion consumption. Kriti uses her fashion platform to amplify important messages and causes close to her heart. Whether it's advocating for gender equality, promoting body positivity, or raising awareness about social issues, she leverages her influence to spark meaningful conversations and inspire positive change through her style. Even in her professional attire, the beauty infuses her signature style with modern touches that reflect her personality. She might opt for tailored blazers in vibrant hues, statement blouses with unique details, or sleek pencil skirts with unexpected twists, proving that workwear can be both polished and fashion-forward. Kriti elevates her outfits with statement accessories that add personality and flair. Whether it's oversized sunglasses, bold belts, or eye-catching handbags, she knows how to make accessories the focal point of her look while keeping the rest of her ensemble chic and understated. The actress infuses her fashion choices with global influences. Whether it's incorporating elements of traditional Indian attire, like intricate embroidery or vibrant colors, or embracing the relaxed elegance of Mediterranean style, she celebrates the richness of cultural diversity through her wardrobe. She completes her looks with fashion-forward footwear that adds a stylish finishing touch. Whether she's rocking sleek stilettos, trendy sneakers, or edgy ankle boots, she knows how to choose shoes that complement her outfit and reflect her personal style. The actress uses her platform to advocate for important social and environmental causes through her fashion choices. Whether it's wearing clothing from sustainable brands, promoting body positivity, or supporting inclusivity in fashion, she uses her influence to drive positive change in the industry and beyond. While Kriti embraces contemporary trends, she also has a love for timeless classics with a modern twist. She might update a classic white shirt with unexpected details like ruffles or asymmetric hemlines, or put a fresh spin on a little black dress with unique cutouts or embellishments. And there you have it, Kriti Sanon's modern fashion choices are as diverse as they are stunning, showcasing her versatility and impeccable taste. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.